Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to, this time frame, think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on several occasions. Haven't done it for the past few days. I was traveling, visiting members of the community, but want to get things updated here. And all these lines that I've drawn from past videos still 100% pertain to the chart. So update, maybe not necessarily the right word. Perhaps, just kind of confirmation would be better. And the big old point of confirmation has everything to do with this 45-cent level right there, which is being denoted by the red line right here. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, you've heard me talk about that as resistance. And you can see that over the past couple of days, that is exactly where the price has struggled, including today. While I'm not saying it's impossible to break through 45 cents, that has definitely been confirmed as an area where the sellers are hanging out at. And, give or take a little bit, support resistance levels are not exact specific prices. So I'm well aware that the price did technically go up slightly above there. But all in all, like I said, within the broad range, 45 cents is where those sellers are hanging out at. So that is, that near-term level of resistance. As far as supports, on the bright side of things, I've talked about 40 cents down here as support via the green line. And, the price hasn't even tested it. The lowest it's gotten is down right around 41 cents. So good to see that the bulls haven't, or that the bears haven't even been able to press downwards that much. But as it stands right now, in a very kind of simplistic and straightforward way, probably the easiest way to summarize the chart would be just the channel pattern on the 30-minute. Top of the channel being the resistance at 45, bottom of the channel being that support at 40 cents. And, until something happens, not much, can be said. What do I mean by something happening? We'll either break out to the upside of the channel or break down to the downside of the channel. But until then, this is kind of just like a little trader's paradise in here, and they can, flip back and forth. But if you care about more so the big picture, the overall story, it's definitely just a wait and see pattern. So grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and let's see what happens and how the week plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.